Are you looking for a simple way to boost your health? Something easy to make and packed with nutrients? Look no further than chia seed water. This tiny seed can make a big difference in your well-being, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. In this essay, we'll explore the incredible benefits of chia seed water and how it can help you achieve your health goals. Chia seed water is exactly what it sounds like: water infused with chia seeds. These tiny black and white seeds, originating from a flowering plant in the mint family, are nutritional powerhouses. When added to water, they create a refreshing and healthy drink. One of the remarkable properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water. They can soak up to 10 times their weight in liquid. This creates a gel-like texture in the water, making you feel fuller for longer. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, promoting healthy digestion. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. 9 reasons to start your day with chia seed water. Drinking chia seed water on an empty stomach can provide a range of health benefits. This simple yet powerful habit can transform your mornings and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Here are 9 reasons to make it a part of your morning routine. 1. Improve digestion. Starting your day with chia seed water can significantly enhance your digestive health. The fiber in chia seeds supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. This can help alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and constipation, making you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. Drinking it in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and prevent constipation. 2. Increased energy levels. Imagine starting your day with a natural energy boost that keeps you going without the crash that often follows caffeine. Chia seeds are a good source of carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. They release energy slowly, ensuring you stay active and alert for longer periods. 3. Weight management. The fiber in chia seeds keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and aiding in weight management. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to maintain or lose weight, as it helps control your appetite and prevents overeating. 4. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. These essential fats are known for their heart protective properties, making chia seeds a heart-friendly addition to your diet. 5. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk. By slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, chia seeds can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes. 6. Stronger bones. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals work together to support bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. 7. Reduced inflammation. The antioxidants in chia seeds can help fight inflammation throughout the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease and arthritis, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like chia seeds can be highly beneficial. 8. Improved skin health. Chia seeds can promote healthy skin by keeping it hydrated and protected from free radical damage. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds help maintain skin elasticity and prevent premature aging, giving you a natural, healthy glow. 9. Boosted mood. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. By supporting brain health and reducing inflammation, these nutrients can contribute to a more balanced and positive mental state, helping you start your day on a happy note. Let's delve deeper into the digestive benefits of chia seeds. The high fiber content in chia seeds acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. This helps maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. Chia seeds are an excellent source of energy-boosting nutrients. The combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats provides sustained energy release, making them a great pre- or post-workout drink. Chia seeds are truly a friend to both your heart and blood sugar. You see, the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber in chia seeds work together to promote heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, which are a type of fat found in the blood that can increase the risk of heart disease. And the fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those pesky blood sugar spikes and crashes. Pretty amazing, right? Making chia seed water is incredibly easy. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup water. Instructions. Combine the chia seeds and water in a glass or jar. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Let the mixture sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chia seeds have absorbed the water and formed a gel-like consistency. Stir again before drinking. While plain chia seed water is refreshing, you can easily enhance its flavor with natural ingredients. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a citrusy twist. Mix in a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Blend with your favorite fruits such as berries, mango, or pineapple for a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Add chia seeds to your favorite juice or coconut water for an extra boost of nutrients. This section emphasizes the importance of being in tune with your body's signals and responses, especially when introducing new foods into your diet. While chia seeds are generally safe for consumption, it's essential to listen to your body and be mindful of potential side effects. Pay attention to how your body reacts after consuming chia seeds, as everyone's digestive system is unique. Start with small amounts. Begin by incorporating 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into your diet and gradually increase the amount as tolerated. This gradual approach allows your body to adjust and helps you monitor any adverse reactions. Drink plenty of water. Chia seeds absorb a significant amount of water, so it's crucial to stay hydrated throughout the day, especially when consuming them. Adequate hydration aids in the proper digestion and absorption of chia seeds, preventing potential digestive issues. Potential allergies. If you have a known allergy to seeds such as sesame seeds or mustard seeds, consult with your doctor before consuming chia seeds. It's always better to be cautious and seek professional advice to avoid any allergic reactions. Digestive issues. While chia seeds are beneficial for digestion, consuming large amounts without adequate water can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or constipation. To avoid these issues, ensure you are drinking enough water and not overloading your system with too many chia seeds at once. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a great way to boost your nutritional intake. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. However, moderation and mindfulness are key to reaping their benefits without experiencing negative side effects. Keeping a food diary can help you track your intake and observe how your body responds to chia seeds. This practice can be particularly useful if you are new to consuming chia seeds or have a sensitive digestive system. By documenting your experiences, you can make informed decisions about your diet and adjust as needed. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find what suits your body best, and make dietary choices that support your overall health and well-being. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and enjoy the benefits of chia seeds in a way that works for you. Chia seeds, these tiny nutritional powerhouses, have been used for centuries for their incredible health benefits. Incorporating chia seed water into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and well-being. Just a spoonful of chia seeds in a glass of water can make a significant difference. From boosting your energy levels to supporting your heart and digestive system, chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to keep your body functioning optimally. The benefits of this tiny seed are truly remarkable. When soaked in water, chia seeds expand and form a gel-like consistency, making them easy to digest and absorb. This gel can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Remember to start with small amounts, stay hydrated, and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. It's important to listen to your body's signals and ensure you're consuming the right amount for your needs. Chia seeds can also be added to smoothies, yogurt, and even baked goods, making them a versatile addition to your diet. They not only enhance the nutritional value of your meals but also add a pleasant texture. Embrace the power of chia and experience the transformative effects it can have on your overall health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or support heart health, chia seeds can be a valuable ally. Do you have any experiences with chia seed water you'd like to share? We'd love to hear how chia seeds have impacted your health journey. Let us know in the comments below. Your stories and tips can inspire others to embrace the benefits of chia seeds and make positive changes in their lives.